Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I'm going to show you how to rename multiple files at once on Mac. Don't worry, it's super easy. First, open the folder containing the photos. I download mine from Pexel. Select all the files, then right click on them and you will see the option rename. Click on it and a new window will pop up. In this window you have three main options: replace text, replace specific part of file name, add text, insert text into the file name, and format. This is the option we will use. Under custom format, enter the new file name. Let's name ours WebLook. Below that you will see start numbers, which allow you to define the starting number for your files. We want to start at 1, so we leave it as is. Click rename and all selected files will be renamed instantly. Now let's rename them again. Select the files, click rename and this time choose replace text. Let's replace WebLook with, for example, WebLook tutorials. And then just click rename. As you can see, the file names have changed. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time and don't forget to subscribe.